Guys, what is SACCO?
So, what is a SACCO?
A SACCO is a community of people that trust each other with money.
And is it unique to Uganda?
No, it's not. It's not African. We do that. SACCO is everywhere.
All of it.
We trust each other in Africa.
Yeah. All of it. This is Africa's economy. Yeah. Finance in Africa is social.
Hello everybody. I've just spent an amazing evening here in Kampala, Uganda with members of FITSPA, the financial the Financial Technology Service Providers Association of Uganda. And guess what? They have 180 members. And I've spent the evening with some of their leading members here. And I've learned so much that requires me to think again about what I understand to be financial inclusion, what I understand to be capitalism, and social capitalism. And I just want to invite some of the members here to give us a sense of what they do and what they believe in.
I'm Robert Chintu, setting up the first neobank in Uganda called the maalicard, and we are passionate about helping communities with coherence kind of services that is not about transactions, it's about what they would get in providing payments, but at the same time saving, living off what they have been able to make and investing more in their own lives. This is what we think we can change and improve their lives.
Hi, my name is James Mukasa, CEO and founder at Moneycent Uganda Limited. Shout out to FITSPA. I'm so happy that I'm part. Moneycent is a mobile application that allows companies and individuals to connect conveniently to send and receive and coordinate efforts that involve money.
Hello, my name is Patricia. I work with the Fintech Association, and I also work with a payments company called InterSwitch East Africa Uganda Limited. It's an integrated payments company that works with financial institutions and non-financial institutions. I believe that the future of finance is going to be highly decentralized, and it will morph into the structures and systems of society naturally. Thank you.
My name is Flavia Elena Kasenge. I work with Easy Money Limited. We're a technology company dealing with both financial and non-financial services, and we're passionate about the livelihood of the people at the bottom of the pyramid. My other passion is really about women at the bottom of the pyramid. I believe in future that women will be power.
Hi, I'm Andre van Zyl, co-founder of Click.world. We do blockchain-based solutions for social banking. We do exchange cryptocurrencies to fiat, virtual assets. We have got a micro banking system, and our main focus is on communities and community banking, because that's really where we see the future of finance. We see the future of finance as decentralized social financial ecosystems.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Ziana Nyiramanza Mudu. I work for the Africa Fintech Network as the Secretary General, but I also run the Fintech Association of Uganda as an engagement partner. It's good to have you, Emmanuel, in Uganda, and we are having lots of fun with you. I believe the future of, especially the finance in Fintech, is about partnerships, collaborations, and also a connected ecosystem. Because what I've seen in the association is every member has their own niche in the market, and every member has their own value proposition. So you can find there's a member that has the infrastructure, and many members can actually use the infrastructure to drive their point home. And also the banks coming into they also have infrastructure that the fintechs are piggy banking on, so which is also a great thing. One of the things from the recent report that was held, that we held, 74% of the funding for the fintech companies in Uganda is actually local funding, and that is a plus for our members that they've actually gone. They really are sweating it off. They've used their everything, their savings, they've acquired loans, they've sold their properties to see their businesses thrive. And as an association, we also want to go ahead and see what else can we do for our members. Besides the four pillars that I mentioned earlier, we're thinking about creating a FITSPA fintech fund that's going to fund our members just to help them with a little capital to help their businesses scale, and also to help them develop new products, because I know most of them think so hard and we want to get the money pressure off them. So we want to look for money. So right now our proposal is still at really stage 1. So we're looking for partners, investors to see who can invest in our fund and in our fund, the fintech fund, to really help our members scale.
Okay.
Emmanuel, do you have any friends who can really invest in the FITSPA fintech
Who do you
fund?
think
That
would
would be
watch
really
this
nice.
thing? Okay. And SACCOs are
Savings and credit cooperatives.
savings and credit cooperatives that exist at local community level, and there are thousands of them in Africa. And that's the basis on which you build a finance infrastructure around local communities. I learned that here in this conversation.
When a group of people come together, a group of people that share the same common values and ideas, and that group of people operate on a trust relationship with each other. And that is really how Africa's economy works. If you look everywhere, it is a village where people know each other. They don't need to ask for their credit scores. They know each other's credibility. So that same common ethos, they manage their money. That's the best way to manage money, is that group. And that's really that social cohesiveness, that community. And that community, and it's not just about lending and saving, it's also about helping, it's about the social aspects of this. So social banking is really that. It is a group of people that come together, that share the same values and those same values, okay? And then they form a little microbank. And then these microbanks then operate in ecosystems where they can, and we really see, and in Uganda we got fantastic fintech innovators to do this, to actually see this grow. So we really see this, that we can export this to the world. We see the world adapting this social banking, the model of decentralized social banking is where we see the world is going.
So in Uganda, because in the ancient days we didn't really have internet like the Western countries, there was an innovation of the USSD. It works without internet. People are able to communicate to each other. We're able to send money using the USSD, and we don't need to have internet to be able to do that. So it is something that has been used even with the people of the feature phones. They're able to send money to someone or to make a communication within the country. I think it's something that is going to really it's going to revolve. It's going to change how people are working, but already in Uganda it exists. So if people get to know about USSD and how cheap it is to use, you don't have to struggle with internet. You can be anywhere with any type of phone and you're able to communicate, you're able to send money, which is something that has helped people. You don't really have to have internet or bundles for you to be able to use USSD. So it's really user-friendly, and I believe it's going to evolve.
Hey everybody, I had a great evening. Okay, you just challenged everything I know about finance as seen from a capitalist world, and I must tell your story to the rest of the world.
Thank you.
Like the association, right? What do you work on right now? Like what is the biggest projects that you have?
Well, now it's to make sure the fintechs are up and running. They need investments. They need regulation.
So do you talk to the regulators? That's the association.
On a daily, so we're very close to them. They are very open-minded about